Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on the Kraken app. First, download the Kraken Pro app to your mobile device. Next, you will need to complete the account setup and identity verification steps. This is crucial for security and compliance. Once verified, ensure your account is funded. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, or transfer existing cryptocurrency into your Kraken wallet. This prepares you for your first Bitcoin purchase. To fund your account, open the Kraken app and tap on the Funding tab. Here, you will see various deposit options. Choose the method that suits you best, such as a bank transfer or a wire transfer. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions, which will provide you with the necessary details to send your funds. Always double-check the recipient information to ensure your deposit is successful and secure. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, for all your crypto research and reading, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere, even in bright sunlight, making it perfect for diving deep into white papers or market analysis. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your account is funded, head to the trade section of the app. Select Buy and then choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, either in a specific quantity of Bitcoin or a fiat currency equivalent, for example, $100. Review all the order details, including the price and fees, before confirming your purchase. This ensures accuracy. After confirming your order, your Bitcoin purchase will be processed very quickly. You can then navigate to your Kraken wallet to see your newly acquired Bitcoin. It will be listed alongside any other cryptocurrencies you hold. For future trading, consider setting up price alerts within the app. This can help you stay informed about market movements and make timely decisions regarding your Bitcoin holdings, whether buying more or selling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.